Hey guys, it's me Ella. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be deep cleaning my room for the new year. So if you want to see that, just keep on watching. To start, I thought I'd show you the room just to see where it started, and then when we're done, I will re-show it when it's all good. So this is probably the biggest problem, is this desk is full of stuff that is junk that we don't need, and everything is just unorganized, and my closet is really full of clothes and stuff that I don't use. So that is what we're going to try and fix in this video. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is clean out this desk drawer so that I have a place to put things, and since it's overflowing with junk. And of course, I moved into Harry Styles over there. So here's an update of what's going on. I took everything out from under my desk and inside my desk and laid it all around the ground, and I'm just deciding what to keep and what to throw away and where everything should go. So I'll check back in once I clean it all out. I am so happy. This took me almost like 2 hours to do, but I cleaned out everything, and this junk drawer is now super clean and organized. And I didn't show you inside these, but they are super organized now. This one used to be overflowing, and this one used to be overflowing. Now I had to put stuff up here, but now I can fit everything in its spot. And I cleaned out everything underneath my desk, and this whole garbage bag is stuff that I got rid of. Okay guys, so it is the next day, and today I'm going to try and tackle this, and if I have enough time, the rest of the room. Sorry if I sound gross, it's because I'm sick, I have a cold, so hopefully that doesn't bother you too much. And let's start with the closet. Yesterday, I was listening to Harry Styles, and today I'm watching Glee as we clean. So let's go. Let's get started. I finished cleaning out my closet, and over here is a little more organized. So the last thing that I need to do is vacuum this whole room to make it look nicer, and then put all this stuff back where it belongs. And you did right from the start. Okay guys, so I have officially finished cleaning the room, so I guess that means I can show you a tour now. I'm gonna show you the room the exact same way I did the first time, starting over here with my desk. So this is my desk, and I showed you inside these the second time, not the first, but they were very messy before. And the inside of my desk was extremely messy, and underneath it was even more messy. And then you move over here, you have my bed in this little corner, my dresser, and my closet, which I went through and I got rid of a whole garbage bag full of clothes, so now it's not overflowing anymore. And I have all these empty hangers now, so it's really nice. So that's it for this video. Please subscribe down below if you enjoyed the video, and hopefully this inspired you to clean or to fix your room for the new year. So Hope you enjoyed. Bye.